Hello learners. Welcome back to Simple English with Sachin. Today we are going to talk about one of the most common goals of every English learner. How to speak English confidently. If you feel nervous while speaking or forget words when you talk, then this video is just for you. Let's start. Tip number 1. Think in English. Most learners translate sentences from their native language before speaking. This makes you slow and less confident. Start thinking in English directly. For example, when you see a cup, say in your mind, "This is my cup." When you see the sun, say, "It's a bright day." Make English part of your thoughts. Tip number 2. Speak every day even if you are alone. Confidence comes with practice. You can practice in front of a mirror or talk to yourself about your day. Describe what you are doing. For example, say, "I am making tea." "I am going to work." This helps your mouth and brain get used to English sentences. Tip number 3. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers. The key is to keep speaking. When you make a mistake, smile and correct yourself. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about being comfortable with learning. Tip number 4. Listen and repeat. Listen to short English clips or YouTube videos. Repeat what you hear. Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm. This technique is called shadowing. It improves your accent and makes you sound more natural. Tip number 5. Learn useful phrases instead of just grammar rules. Grammar is important, but confidence comes from ready phrases you can use anywhere. Like, "How are you doing?" That sounds great. "I agree with you." Start collecting small useful sentences and use them in real life. And here is a bonus tip. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Watch English shows with subtitles. Read short English posts or quotes daily. The more you stay in touch with English, the more confident you become. Let's quickly review. Think in English. Speak every day. Don't fear mistakes. Listen and repeat. And learn useful phrases. Follow these simple habits and you will see real improvement in just a few weeks. Thanks for watching Simple English with Sachin. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Keep learning, keep improving and stay confident.